Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So today is the Monday and you can clearly see that Mayank Nifty opens gap up around 42,800 and when it closes above that round level 43,000, it continuously shows strong positive movement here and today it made high around 43,400 level. So right now it looks positive to me because previously we have seen continuous buying movement here. One day it opens large gap down and continuously goes down, and today it opens gap up and it closes above 43,000. Most important thing for us right now is it right now closes above 43,000. So if tomorrow market once again opens flat or opens gap up, and if it trades above 43,450 or 500 and shows strong positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. Our immediate target will be 43,600. Next target you can set to 43,720. So in one day candle chart it kind of looks positive to me, but for taking any kind of buying trade we're going to look into 15-minute candle. In 15 candle you can clearly see that today market gap ups open around 42,800, and in one 15-minute candle it trades above that 43,000 level, which kind of looks positive to me at that time because we have seen resistance around that 43,000 to 43,200 level. So if in one candle if it trades above that 43,000 level, then it shows kind of positive movement here. So after that the market continuously goes sideways to upward zone. So right now it trades around 43,350. So as I said in one day candle chart, if it trades above 43,450 or 500, which we have previously seen resistance around that zone, then you can continuously take trade for selling, and it may be continuously goes up until 43,600 to 710 level. But for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to trade below 43,200. Then after that you can take trade for selling. Our immediate target will be round level 43,000. Once again if it trades below 43,000, then our next target will be 42,700 to 650. So in bank nifty it kind of looks positive to me. If it opens flat or opens small gap up, then you can continuation for buying. In nifty candle it kind of looks more positive than bank nifty because it right now trades above that Thursday's high level. So right now it trades around 18,260, and if it opens flat or opens gap up, and if it sustains around that higher side and shows strong positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. Our immediate target will be 18,308 to round level 18,400. So in one day candle chart it right now looks positive to me, but it should not open gap up. So if it opens gap up around 18,350 or 370 or shows any kind of negative movement around that higher side, then we can continuation take trade for selling, and target we can set to 18,250 to round level 18,200. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see that market opens gap up, and after that when it trades above that 18,160 level, which previously act as a major resistance level, it continuously goes down, and after that it continuously shows negative movement here. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens flat or if it trades above 18,280 or 270 and shows strong positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, and our target will be 18,372, round level 18,400. So that's all about bank nifty and nifty. Now let's look into bank nifty components for taking any kind of trade in bank nifty options. In bank nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that today market opens gap up and right now it trades in a range. So my suggestion would be, let it trades above 1660, then after that you can take trade for buying. But for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to trades below 1635 or 40, then after that you can continuation for selling. In ICICI Bank it right now shows positive movement here, but it needs to trade above 940 for taking any kind of buying trade, and our immediate target will be 950. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank it kind of looks positive to me because it continuously try to trade above that 590 level. So if tomorrow market once again trades above 585 and shows strong positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, and our immediate target will be 592, round level 595. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank it continuously try to trade above that 1960 level, so it right now trades around that zone. So if tomorrow market opens flat or opens gap up, and if it trades above 1965, then after that it shows continuous positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank it right now trades in a range which is 880 to 860. So my suggestion would be, let it trades above 880 or 85 for taking any kind of buying trade. But if it opens a gap up around that higher side and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can also continuously take trade for selling. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank right now it shows strong positive movement here, but previously we have seen resistance around that zone. So my suggestion would be, at least let it trades above 1140 or 50, then after that you can take trade for buying. Right now my suggestion would be, I wait for another 2 or 3 days, then after that if it shows any kind of strong positive movement above 1150 or 60, then you can continuously take trade for buying. So that's all about today guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box, and if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my